guys, today I'm going to be showing you my favorite fidgets. This is my favorite frog emoji, and it's pretty big, and it's a frog, and it lost its eyeball. See? It's just white, and the one is black, so it looks like a zombie. I've got this this fidget spinner bracelet, and it has two settings. See, there's this one and this one. And it spins pretty fast. I've got this infinity cube, and I can go super fast. I've got this squishy I painted from Amazon, and I painted it for my squishy painting kit. And this is one of my favorite squishies. I've got this green marble mesh, and it's one of my favorites. I've got this purple dimple. It is also one of my favorites, but my most favorite fidget out of my whole collection is my Toothless Poppet from How to Train Your Dragon, and it is my favorite one of all my fidgets.